Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. The apostles, just like each and every one of us, human as we are, encountered numbers, or shall we say, a lot of moments that they were not in agreement with one another. Since yesterday and until the next days, we will be hearing from the very first council of the church, the Council of Jerusalem, wherein we all get to hear how they have exchanged their thoughts, how they have battled out their minds, maybe how they have criticized the thoughts of one another, how Peter stood in their midst, or Paul stood in their midst telling them, why are we to burden our people with such practice? Tatayo ang isa, ito yung palagay kong magandang gawin. Narinig din ho natin kung papaanong si Santiago ay tumayo din at sinabi na maybe in the midst of this, let us remind them that these are the basic things we wish to remind them. Not to engage into unlawful marriage, the meat of strangled animals, pollution from idols, so on and so forth. But this story would end in peace, in agreement, and of getting their relationship as disciples better and stronger. And what could be the possible reason why in the midst of these disagreements of battling out their minds, they still managed to have their friendship stronger and better? I'd like to propose one answer. Maybe Saint James, Peter, who were there in the upper room when the Lord was giving them His last pieces of farewell, dumaan sa kanilang isip ang mga salita ni Jesus. These words of Jesus, "Remain in my love, keep my commandments." Tama nga, marahil ganun ang kanilang naisip, na sa kabila ng pagbibigay ng kanilang talino, ng kanilang mga paglilinaw sa mga bagay-bagay, pinaalalahanan sila ni Jesus, "Remain in my love, keep my commandments." And that, we suppose, made everything well, stronger, and better for them and for us. In a like manner, my dear sisters and brothers, we will be encountering moments of disagreements, moments of needing to clear things out. Marahil sa mga mag-asawa na naririto po, you might have past days or are undergoing days of really battling out your minds. What's not to do, what's to do. Maybe friends here, no? Hindi lumilipas ang isang araw, ang isang linggo na marahil may pinagtatalunan tayo. May mga kailangan tayong linawin sa bawat isa. Madami po sa inyo dito nagtatrabaho. Marahil araw-araw ayan ang concern ninyo. Lagi na lang tayong may kailangan linawin, may kailangan tayong bigyang pansin. And human as we are, anger will rouse up, criticisms will rouse up, judgments will be there left and right. But hopefully at the end of the day, we won't remain in the fury of our negativity with one another, but we will remain in the love of Jesus, keeping His commandments every day. Maaalala ko po yung sinasabi lagi ng aking tatay kapag nagnininong at nagnininang sila sa mga kaibigan nila na ikakasal. Haharap sila sa isang araw na alam nilang may hindi sila pinagkaisahan, pero hindi nila papalipasin ng isang araw na nagmamahalan at nagpapatawad muli. At the end of the day, my dear sisters and brothers, in the midst of these agreements of facing one another, where will you remain? And we pray that we remain in the love of Jesus and not in that negativity we have with one another.